वास्को मतदारसंघाचो आमदार कार्लोस आल्मेदान मुरगांव म्हालांतले अधिकारी आनी लोकप्रतिनिधी बरोबर बसका घेवन वास्कोंतल्या कामांचो नियाळ घेतला. तशेंच पावसांत लोकांक त्रास जावचो न्ही म्हूण गरज आशिल्ली सगळीं कामां बेगीनाच पुराय करपाचो आदेश अधिकाऱ्यांक दिला.
Pre-monsoon it's called pre-monsoon, like the pre-monsoon should be before the monsoon, long back. But still, anyway, because we have no council, we have nobody to ask them. So I have called this meeting with the council. I have not gone biased. I have called all the councillors, 12 councillors. There were many councillors, not my group. I lost to the ward, but still I have to look after Vasco. Once an MLA full Vasco, not for only one ward.
So you showed upsetness over 40 दीस एकाच कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन ट्री कटिंग आणि लेबर दिता तुझ्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन दिना कितें तुका
See, I am not upset. Maybe that the requirement was much urgent that was taken there.